Hello and welcome to Share Science. Today we're going to explore how we can make things levitate before our eyes, all thanks to science. Air moves all around us, and airflow helps so many things around the Earth, from water cycle to ocean currents to animal migrations. We can also use it to levitate a ball in the air like magic, and fly planes way up in the sky. Our experiments today are going to focus on levitating a ball in a stream of air. If you want to follow along, you're going to need a few things. You can start with something like a hairdryer, as long as it has a cool air mode to avoid getting things too warm. If you want to try with something bigger, you can also look for a leaf blower and move the lab outside. Once you've got your source of airflow, find a ball or two that you want to levitate. Try to find balls that are kind of light, like a ping pong ball or one made out of plastic. Once we have our equipment, we're going to explore 3 key things to better understand how to move things up in the air. First, we're going to explain what airflow is and how critical it is to the world around us. Next, we're going to look at the importance of Bernoulli's principle, which is at the heart of levitating things into the air. 3 centuries ago, a Swiss physicist named Daniel Bernoulli discovered that as fluids, like air, travel faster, their pressure drops. And this is a key element of harnessing the power of air to take to the skies, which we'll look at through the science of lift on air wings attached to the planes that fly all over the planet every day. Let's look at what we mean when we say airflow. Airflow is any movement of air, which can be as simple as an oscillating fan that keeps you cool in the summer. Outside in nature, the sun will heat parts of the earth unevenly, which causes wind, from the movement of hot air rising and the cooler air above sinking to take its place. Finally, large jetliners can move huge amounts of air over air wings to push planes that weigh upwards of 300 tons upward into the sky, moving people and goods across the globe. Let's look at how it works. Here's a demonstration of the levitation we can cause through the Bernoulli effect. As the air starts to flow around the ball, you can see it start to spin, but air is flowing on all sides of the ball, which stabilizes it inside the airflow and prevents it from falling to the ground. As the diagram shows, if the ball is pushed one way, the faster flow on the opposite side drops the pressure and pulls the ball back the other way, keeping it levitating in place within the airstream. This is a trick you can reproduce yourself at home with a ball and a hairdryer or a leaf blower. Give it a try. Let's see how the Bernoulli effect works to put planes in the air. As air moves across the wing, the air follows the upper surface through the Coanda effect, sticking to the surface in a process known as flow attachment. As the wing pulls that air down, it creates an area of lower pressure above the wing. Low pressure pulls things in, and in this case, that means the wing goes up and the plane that's attached to it. We covered a lot of ground today. We saw how airflow can be found all around us and plays a vital role in a number of critical environmental systems. Then we looked at Bernoulli's effect, which creates a drop in pressure as a fluid flow moves faster. This effect is responsible for some amazing things, from holding balls suspended in the air like magic, to bringing airplanes weighing upwards of 300 tons miles into the sky. We hope you liked today's video. Please like and subscribe to get more content like this, and you can really help us out.